How to turn on or turn off color filter on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. After click on accessibility, click on vision enhancement. After click on vision enhancement, scroll down and click on color filter. If you want to turn on color filter, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see color filter is turned on. If you want to turn off color filter, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see color filter is turned off. You will turn on or turn off color filter from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off color filter on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.